Got it. It recorded, and I'm the future is
Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me,
all right.
Diwali. I am student at Jihan School Online Academy Foundation Level Beth. So, hello Maya, how are you today? My topic is Earth.
Hey there. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Glad to be reporting in with you on Project Earth. Ready when you are. What about Earth are you wanting to dig into today?
Okay, now my first question is what is Earth?
Whoa! We've looped back to art already. That's a quick turn. Okay, so what is art? That's a huge question, honestly. It's anything someone makes to express something, feelings, ideas, beauty, you name it. Could be painting, music, writing, dancing, even building things. It's kind of subjective, though. What one person thinks is art, another might not. What do you think art is?
Okay, how old is the Earth?
We're back to Earth. Okay, no problem. The Earth is around 4.54 billion years old. They've figured that out by studying rocks and meteorites. It's mind-blowing to think about how long that is, right?
Okay, what is the size
Still
of
with me?
Earth?
Okay, the size of Earth. It's pretty massive. The Earth's radius, so the distance from the center to the surface is about 6,371 kilometers, or 3,959 miles. If you were to drive all the way around the Earth at the equator, that would be about 40,075 kilometers, or 24,901 miles. Does that give you a sense of how big it is?
Okay, what is this shape of Earth?
The shape of Earth? You mean, what shape is the planet? Mm-mm-mm. Oh, it's not a perfect sphere, actually. It's a bit squashed at the poles and bulges at the equator, which makes it an oblate spheroid. But for most purposes, we just say it's round. Is that what you meant, or were you still thinking about the shape of art?
Okay, how many continents are there?
Ah, you mean continents? There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. Do you have a favorite continent?
Okay, what is the Earth's core made of?
Okay, the Earth's core model. That's getting into some serious science. Basically, Earth has layers, like an onion. The core is at the very center, and it's made mostly of iron and nickel. Has 2 parts, a solid inner core and a liquid outer core. The liquid outer core is what creates Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from harmful radiation from the sun. It's pretty important stuff. Does that make sense?
Okay, how many oceans are there? Oceans are there.
There are 5 oceans. They are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. The Pacific is by far the biggest, covering more than 30% of the Earth's surface. Have you ever been to the ocean?
Okay. What is Earth's atmosphere like?
Okay, Earth's atmosphere is basically the blanket of gases that surrounds our planet. It's made up mostly of nitrogen and oxygen, with smaller amounts of other gases like argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. The atmosphere protects us from the sun's harmful rays and keeps the Earth warm enough to live on. Also has layers, kind of like the Earth itself. Pretty neat, huh?
Okay, that's great.
Glad you think so. Anything else you'd like to explore about Earth today? Or should we switch to a new topic?
How long does it take for Earth to rotate once?
Good question. It takes Earth about 24 hours to rotate once on its axis. That's what gives us day and night. A little more precisely, it's 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4 seconds, but 24 hours is a good enough estimate for everyday life. It's wild to think we're all spinning around, isn't it?
Okay. What is Earth's orbit like?
Ah, you're shifting back to art and light. Okay, so white light is actually all the colors of the rainbow combined. So when you shine white light through something like a prism, it splits into those different colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
Okay.
Artists use this knowledge. Awesome. Glad you think so. Is there anything else you'd like to talk about today? We could stick with Earth, or maybe dive into art more. Whatever you're up for.
How many moons does Earth have?
Earth has one moon. It's sometimes called the moon to avoid confusion. It's the fifth largest moon in our solar system, and it's getting a little bit further away from us every year. It's a pretty important neighbor, though. It helps stabilize Earth's wobble and creates tides. Do you like looking at the moon?
Okay.
Great. Anything else you're curious about? You've covered a lot of ground today. From the age of Earth to its moons.
Okay. What part of Earth's surface is covered by water?
Okay, so about 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. That's a huge amount. The oceans hold about 97% of all the water on Earth, and the rest is found in things like lakes, rivers, glaciers, and underground. It's pretty amazing when you think about how much water there is.
Okay. What is the largest continent on Earth?
Oh no? Are you maybe thinking of ocean? If so, the largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. It covers more than 30% of the Earth's surface. It's so big, all the world's land masses could fit inside it. Is that what you were asking about?
Okay. Which is the smallest one?
The smallest ocean is the Arctic. It's located around the North Pole and is mostly covered in sea ice. It's much smaller than the other oceans, about the size of the United States. Do you know what the temperature is like in the Arctic? It's pretty chilly.
Okay. What is the highest mountain on Earth?
The highest mountain on Earth is Mount Everest. It's located in the Himalayas on the border between Nepal and China. It's about 8,848.87 meters or 29,031.7 feet tall. It's a really challenging climb, but lots of people try to reach the summit every year. Have you ever seen pictures of Mount Everest?
Okay. What is the deepest ocean?
The deepest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. And specifically, the deepest part of the Pacific is called the Mariana Trench. The deepest point in the Mariana Trench is called the Challenger Deep. And it's almost 11,000 meters or over 36,000 feet deep. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. It's a pretty mysterious place down there.
Okay. What is Earth's average temperature?
Earth's average temperature is about 15 degrees Celsius or 59 degrees Fahrenheit. It varies a lot depending on where you are. Some places are much warmer and some are much colder. And it's also slowly getting warmer overall due to climate change, which is a big concern. Does that make sense?
Okay. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere?
Hmm. Which catches most evident? Do you mean which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Oh, if so, that would be nitrogen. It makes up about 78% of the air we breathe. Oxygen is second at about 21%. The rest is made up of smaller amounts of other gases like argon and carbon dioxide. Was that what you were asking?
Okay. Where are Earth's poles?
Ah, gotcha. Well, good luck with school. Sounds like you're getting a good earth science education going. Anything I can help with while you're studying? Or should we just leave it there for now?
Okay. What is
All right,
special?
well, what's special? That's a big question. What are you thinking about when you ask that? Are you asking what's special about Earth or about something else entirely? Maybe about school or even about you?
Okay. What is special about Earth's poles?
Earth's balls? Hmm. I think you might mean Earth's poles, the North and South poles? What's special about them is that they're the coldest places on Earth, covered in ice and snow. They also have unique properties because of the way Earth rotates. Is that what you meant, or are you thinking of something else?
Why is
Great! Glad I got.
why is Earth's magnetic field important?
Uh, you mean Earth's magnetic field? Sorry, I think there was a slight transcription error. It's incredibly important. It protects us from harmful solar wind, which is a stream of charged particles coming from the sun. Without it, that radiation would strip away our atmosphere and make Earth uninhabitable. It also helps with navigation. That's how compasses work. It's a pretty vital shield.
Okay. How does Earth's weather system work?
Hmm. Roger system. I'm not familiar with that term. Are you perhaps thinking of Earth's radar system? Or maybe something else? Could you spell that out for me or tell me a little more about what you mean? I want to be sure I'm understanding you correctly.
Okay. How are natural resources formed on Earth?
Natural resources. That's a great question. They're formed through a lot of different geological processes over millions and even billions of years. For example, fossil fuels like oil and coal are formed from the remains of ancient plants and animals. Minerals are created through volcanic activity and the slow cooling of magma. Water is recycled through the water cycle. It's a complicated system, but basically they all, just checking if that made sense, a lot of different things happening over a long time. But is there anything about that you'd like me to explain a little more clearly?
Okay. How thick is Earth's crust?
You mean how did Earth's crust form? Okay. Early in Earth's history, the planet was super hot and molten. Over time, the surface started to cool and solidify, forming the first crust. That crust was constantly being broken up and reformed by volcanic activity and plate tectonics, the movement of huge slabs of rock. It's still happening today. It's a really complicated process that took billions of years. Does that help?
Okay. How strong is Earth's gravity?
Earth's gravity is pretty strong. It's what keeps us stuck to the ground. The acceleration due to gravity on Earth is about 9.8 meters per second squared. That means that if you drop something, it will speed up by 9.8 meters per second every second it falls. It's strong enough to hold on to our atmosphere and prevent everything from floating off into space. Do you want to know how it compares to gravity on other planets?
Okay. When did life first appear on Earth?
That's a big question scientists are still working to answer, but the earliest evidence of life on Earth is about 3.7 billion years ago. These weren't complex creatures, just single-celled organisms, basically tiny bacteria. It took billions more years for life to evolve into the plants and animals we see today. It's a long story. Is that something you're studying in school?
Okay. Thank you, Maya. I really enjoyed this conversation. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.